Okay, good morning. I'm going to go over how to set up your signature in an email. So once you're in Outlook, you go up to File, click on File, should go down and see Options. And this is both for whatever version of Outlook you guys are running. I don't know if there's the newer version or not on yours. So you click on Mail right there, and then you can click on Signatures. Now what I will do in my email, I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to copy this and I'll send this to you so you can change whatever you need, your station address, but the main thing, make sure you have this information on the bottom. And if you want to make a new signature, you can click on that. Do a sample. And if I go to a new email, see if it brings it up. No, it doesn't, because I did not switch. You can switch back and forth between these emails, signatures. So right here, I can just click on sample. And also, when you do set them up, do put in for your replies and forwards so it adds it to it. If you want to put the fire department Maltese cross on there, our logo, that's fine. I took it off of mine because it actually takes up a lot of space when you're sending emails. So if you're sending a larger file, those graphics take up some room. Close this. Paste that there. And that should be it. If you have any more questions, feel free to give me a call at extension 2910. Thank you.